So Kansas will be the first state in the nation to vote on abortion's rights, that following today's Supreme Court decision. The Value Them Both Amendment is on the August primary ballot. It comes a couple of years after the state Supreme Court ruled the Kansas Constitution guarantees women's rights to abortions. But the Value Them Both would change that. Now, a yes vote would create a new section in the Constitution saying it does not create or secure a right to abortion. Opponents believe this would be the first step in banning all abortions in Kansas. A no vote would keep the Constitution just the way it is now. The vote's that much more important after today's Supreme Court ruling. I want to bring in KSN's Alexis Padilla, who's live downtown right now. Alexis, leaders from both groups here are pleading with Kansans to go out and cast a ballot.
Craig, ahead of this decision, both opposition and support for the Value Them Both amendment was already picking up steam. Now that Roe v. Wade has been overturned, leaders for and against are realizing there is more on the line for Kansas.
This is a reasonable approach. It protects women and babies.
We have protection right now in Kansas, and we have a way to keep it. Vote on August 2nd.
A yes or no vote. That will be the difference on whether abortion remains legal in Kansas.
We decide our fate, and we don't need the government to make decisions for us. These are private medical decisions that people with a uterus make in the privacy of their doctor's office.
To ensure that unelected judges can't decide with zero input from the people, that Kansas abortion laws will be as liberal as California and New York.
Carol Neal is one of those in favor of voting no on the Value Them Both amendment, remembering what it was like for women before Roe v. Wade.
It was either self-abortion or going to somebody that gave abortions with no health care. And I know women that died, women that never had, were able to have children again.
While others believe a vote yes is the way to go.
We want common sense laws in place that will protect women and babies. Kansans believe in common sense restrictions on the abortion industry. We want basic sanitation laws. We don't want Kansas to become a destination for abortions.
No matter your stance, Neal just wants you to vote.
If they're Republican, Democrat, unaffiliated, you vote on this amendment.
Anyone is able to vote on this amendment regardless of party affiliation, even though this is happening during a primary election. The deadline to register to vote is July 12th. Here for you in Wichita, Alexis Padilla, KSN News 3.